manage abrantie no omo ede ensem kakra atu anim as far as our case we concerned. What the players told me and they say and the abrantie nankasa ede atu anim and they say hackers and every account ni mu a omo etumi a hacky account nti ehun sem nyina beba e wo dwumadie so enche obeti darling Paul nka so de ewura mono ne nsem a ho nyina no ode atu anim and of course you be call menhia also and owura Herbert Mensah eso ewura mu ho a one kotkohene ekwakodwe May 9th nsem no or dey nsem kakra ekwakoto ohimpon so enim na naso ya otumfo birthday nti significant day naso no say Chelsea for no Chelsea supporters no so many ajepa chese enya grokra na ye Madridistas ne de Eden Hazard de ye kra ya ton dada ye trim no ya ton ama Legon Cities chese ye pedia branch no El Football Club nti some no doso ye be call na Darling Paul e amano ne nsem no atuanim na de ohobia no so ye de abrete for pure 95.7 FM. It's time to rumble.
Are you ready? Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Right, the process here come on any diamond nsem no and so Abraham on pure 95.7. Me patcho join here on Facebook oba odia share na wunu anso nya bi nhwe afen so betimi leave comments no and so comment section wo na bibia so atima e kama and so no de ama wa chese de nsem no and so eba but yenwa nsem nim onim se Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro CL7 and so koye panel e wo Dubai International Sports Conference na eye opanyi Cristiano Ronaldo jare de ne beto so na wa hwade onim sem eye Cristiano Ronaldo ring na ehye ne nsa ne nko a yesi 630,000 euros 630,000 euros o de join here e wo Pure FM Ghana on Facebook. Cristiano Ronaldo wasaya na adi ni bio opani no disca bruta ring ehye ne nsa no o de bra ne be hwade ring no yesi engagement ring ne nko a we eye ma engagement ring eye 200,000 euros ye pebia di ramat kura na ayeden enso Cristiano Ronaldo ring na ehye no eye 200,000 euros eye ema ring ene ehye no afenso yesi 50,000 diamond band ena ebono no entu de bra na be hwe Cristiano Ronaldo flashy Rolex watch na ebono no eye 380,000 euros. Yes, Sikanino no Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. And now some get to a crowd tries.
Was it ring, you know? I don't know, I know a ring and I.
Yes, a ring.
A ring says he.
Yes, I almost can say a ring. Yes, I say a woman engagement ring.
It's your bano na dia shena na say
no say. Yes, I know 300,000.
300,000 say.
Yes,
euros.
Yes.
Ena bakuno so say.
Bakuno ye diamond band no. 50,000.
50,000 euros.
Yes, and a Rolex watch na bono no. 380,000 euros. Se korama to wa enya sem keto akra
you know say ska na o kano to sponsor Ghana Premier League no
Bebre
wow
Bebre Cristiano Ronaldo
omo live life no
yes
na we no wan nyiro ho no anko heavy ni bi na o no
why said me enjoy say ya and now ya rewo semo enya sem keto akra me pa join join here Pure FM Ghana on Facebook oba ube Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro CL7 ne watches ne bono no ene ne ring no nyeska keto akra 630,000 euros and so ena Cristiano Ronaldo bonus ano me pa consent from unim say Ngolo Kante edian dodo na different ne rat ekura Ngolo Kante akwani adwin bruta osia no afa woni boni bo bruta but yes ne wife your friend Jude Littler na ababa one yes one tie en chese one tie en boki Ngolo Kante abaso yes Ngolo Kante abrebia Ngolo Kante bebo no on time on abaso but ababa one after enra o say amikunu no ni boni bo bruta afraid they were
okay yanko ahoma ne so
Yes,
na unim say na ka Habib Mohammed story no say ukọ ni Facebook page ona or the akoto ajare ma me na me kan na etiefo say asem no etwetwe aso kakra but ni nyina mu no I love Mediama Sporting Club. I hope to join it instead of this bad club. And ba kubi so wa or the Mediama jersey ato but ni nyina mu no empanyimfo de ato anim say enya no kra Habib Mohammed nyesa na nkophobia from hackers omutumi wura email ewura obabia no de ade bia beto obeka se wo na nso na enye wo yenko ahoma no so ne Yusuf Alasa Chipsa or manager for Openya friend and Branty friend Habib Mohammed or also executive director Emma African Consult Chipsa African Consult, right?
Club Consult Africa.
Club Consult Africa. And that's what you made know. Club Consult Africa. Yusuf Alasa Chipsa, former court midfielder, and Yanyano Ahman. So Chipsa Cheche Mwe, na Banisa na Habib Mohammed dia dia we koto.
Being that Micha, a take over the home now. Habib Mohammed Emfa into the page. Ryan Kofi from Hackers.
Pure FM.
Omada Roma and Omodi Saint-Manu. Now, the only say, anywhere was sending a China, Omodi hacking the Instagram page. Because the Instagram page, me, Eric Oval back in the email, and OJ, Nadia back, and Ele, Omodi on the Facebook account. Hackers, and I hacking the page now. Omodi Sapos, another suburb, and we have been Mohammed. And a safe one at the phone in answer. Or may ignore our post now if we have been Mohammed.
Oh, okay. Now player now Muso no only did come on a reaction to say
say I did only address and not a no the most important thing is that we deny or no capacity assuming the Twitter page to say an account as we had into the DNA.
Oh, okay. Na bebre na susu sem say contract hon semi na dey sanioma we nyina ba wa cheche mobiati asenti hackers no ene wo se call hwe omo isanse de omo de ato no ha dwe. Okay, Yusuf ya dase bebre na emrepam na be san ba waso ye. Okay, thank you so much. Yusuf Alasa Chipsa, executive director for Club Africa Consult. Omuna managers of Habib Mohammed in terms asemno chese no ano no menim say obia or any contrary evidence of any other thing into hackers no is hackers na was here call here omuna ye bi some say na den na mo yesa na say mu social media ne say na esia no o hwa no mawura WhatsApp ni nti obetumi asend obi message na nipa na from na aden na send me bibi say so me cra phone ne meme oh ntenu bi and I'm say ato Branty friend Habib Mohammed enti the almost ran say supporters any omo hu nyina no enya Branty no and share that yes na nkrofobi na share kira omo atumi ayesa enti darling the oho no yes but I'm say ya sort ya you be hu say no the oho no enti ya nto aso N'Golo Kante why she say
Jude Littler o se ni kru no ni bobo sa o say odi kanje man of the match wo
first leg name
wa mo na baso but no o she de we ni kru ni hwirisi a no afa no osen ha no se da bi ni kru ni bo ni bobruta enti ababa wo friend Jude Littler ono nso N'Golo Kante wife rat ekura N'Golo Kante dia de friend no yes ono say do the congratulation message no enso akwa N'Golo Kante after no game no eno so ba so England Chelsea Old Trafford no eno so nsem ene de ba Chelsea de nsem nyina enso mama on pure 95.7 me pa cho de join here enso Facebook ubehu N'Golo Kante so okra na word no na fe ne wife Jude Littler ono so den abasobo de no enso ma no enkonsemfu from me pa cho nim se Barcelona ene ya yesim panyimfo no ana se Barca panyimfo no azu granes bro granes omo panyimfo no so anya start negotiation yes omo nim Sergio Aguero de Castillo on se Sergio Aguero on Manchester City omo so contract no aye bibio Manchester City enso nya so mo extend Sergio Aguero enso contract no enso diamano entiene yesi Barcelona omo so mpanyimfo na nya baruam a chese omo ne Sergio Aguero enso representatives no enso edin komoko achiri pa entiese Barcelona enso anya break akopɛ Sergio Aguero no so aba company aba be shi akan enso diama bobo ko efrenom Barcelona bobo ko no enso on matches ya de sansem no enso mamo na unim say Alexander Lacazette Arsenal ono nso atimaje player of the month no for Isobosome no month of April ono nso na tumije player of the month enso on matches ya same Abrante Alexander Lacazette enso atimaje da award near so openyi no enso about 5 matches in the month of April after about 406 minutes was 5 matches in him or share 4 goals or about 12 shots after completing 73.3% accuracy and 8 tackles and Tanusi Alexander Lacazette who join in and so appear from Ghana on Facebook who be Alexander Lacazette and so Timari name player of the month for Arsenal. Just ya didn't send no and so mamo wo juma die so but unim sham and enumere Arsenal and so if you are game so baso Emirates Sports Stadium now you say it's likely say strikers either Pierre-Emerick Emiliano Francois Aubameyang and so bet Messi akan and I say Alexander Lacazette and so best start game no and so yes coach ni din di Arteta and so shani mu so best start baako Martin Keown ono so Arsenal one legend or the Sembia Tuja Martin Keown CM Fan Tuja say Arsenal and also move attacking football or say Abra Arteta and so Copiamo Spain now on Villarreal so bono na game na Arsenal bono na so any free so mo power down a striker or mo boy na striker bia and so any game nim or say no na mpo Arsenal popo kono we dey or say Mikel Arteta and so you very careful and also starting striker into their meeting and he say Brandt friend Alexander Lacazette yes so betima back after so Pierre-Emerick Emiliano Francois Aubameyang and so betima ba Gabon omu name no yes anhye na numre ono so betima start game no and so but the possible 11 and so mamo Arsenal yes it's likely set team way and so the best starting in numre Ben Leno ono so be that nanim after defenders no yes Chambers Holding Gabriel and Atieni and no any 4 defenders yes Ansham Sam Rantier and almost betima start and so diama Arsenal Bobo Kono just ya dey won some no eba but so people 2 base players and no Thomas Partey and after Branty friend Zaka omo any betima ball base war and as omo betima setting no and so defenders nanim na offensive midfielders no Bobby Kayo Ayoyinka Saka Martin Odegaard and after Emil Smith Rowe or you so omo so betima ball game the diama Arsenal and so and then enumere after you see Pierre-Emerick Emiliano Francois Aubameyang ono so betima start game no and Mikel Arteta and so bebo da 4-2-3-1 no and so and then number Abramo ne Villarreal and so airport but yenko Arsenal yes Europa League no major boost Arsenal camp no and they say almost 3 players David Luiz ono so want matono medical Alexander Lacazette so want say and then number it's likely so no so bet Messi akan afei Kieran Tierney crowd here probable lineup no ono so to me start and so on matches open you know and so bet Messi akan and so diama Bobo ko friend Arsenal na yes Alexander Lacazette ono so bet start from bench and so on matches here this answer no and so mamo na wonim shem Abranti friend no Manuel Manu Trigueros Munoz ono Villarreal omo midfielder omo Centro Campista na boy ne din sembia ba betuja o se yen kanchiro bia se Villarreal for no mo ye ready so mo so be so fa no ma qualify and so kwakobo Europa League finals no enti Arsenal for nto ma dream omo forget kra and so on matches no and so ne Villarreal striker and also mo midfielder omo Centro Campista Manuel Manu Trigueros Munoz and ono so this answer no and so ba betuja o so mo munimpa se Arsenal Boboko no enso beba be attack omo nim the Arsenal Boboko no betima ye omo expecting a lot from Arsenal but enumre omo be try some be qualify enso on Manchester this ansem no enso emamo e wo dwumadie ne so e wo Arsenal and a Villarreal omo manager Unai Emery ono former coach and as a manager the Arsenal Boboko no but on say ne or the Villarreal Boboko no so rem enso Emirates Sports Stadium now was here fan to just say ono proud na ho pa so the Villarreal Boboko no say go back to Arsenal Emirates Sports Stadium or say ono yen country obia say hope or when it so say na number game no ono so betima we no akọ final and team and also ne dey free obia dey mamon and so dwumadie ne so but onim sham 1971 Arsenal J double enti this year and almost do 50th anniversary enti nyame aduma Sunday game almost ebebo enso omo league nim no almost omo be niam bebre almost betimi aye eniam pi enso on Manchester de unsem no enso eba almost omo be a special prog on this Sunday. Omobey Park Rise exclusive. After Omobey action spread from Wembley and soon the floor bar. Almost 71 seasons starts breakdown. And 71 seasons almost starts singing now. Omobey breaking it down. Not just some supporters no. And so with the announce koso. On Manchester this answer no. And so mamo. But in France and same name near Copium and so another game and then so basso and here Manchester United. Almost body at ya Ajax Sportiva Roma La Magica AS Roma Boboko no and so Stadio Olimpico Roma fans no and so Casa Bebre almost in Manchester for be careful almost yepa almost in possible be to me see almost the impossible can happen they can overturn AS's two deficit no and so Roma on Manchester then some no eba but as a referee freeze breach on the bit more officiating game and then no so basso no now say Obi United fans no and so say this time I was only gonna associate Emma one Bisaka and so timisi akan yes say almost say since to the other braka I was only gonna associate Emma midfielder one Van de Beek, yes, Van de Beek rather, or Lusu Timisia Kain, and so on Enumre, a game almost on the Association Sportiva Roma, and so Eponym, and Tianunso no, they say a line up as Fansano, and so Yama Oligona Sociano, and Unsunie, David Ia Quintana, and Subetinem, and so posting him, and Jared de Toswama, and to bet my joining, and so pure from Ghana on Facebook, now Swababa Manchester United, almost a popular voting, and also popular 11, almost yeah, Sankabeya. Place way and I was a coach a friend only gonna so share and so a day see a kind of almost goalkeeper the year Quintana also that name one Bisaka Harry Maguire Bailey and Alex Telles and so also now Van de Beek and so defenders name after Bebo Matic and McTominay now for Ahmad and after Cavani and the same Cavani and Paul Abili Pogba free say any players also Munsu to me ball but I'm running for Yemfa Winter to no be tries and Sumra na after Yemwe run same name Mudi Kanti see a call chips and so yet they do na neba but Bruno Miguel Borges Fernandes Manchester United Omuchentro Campista now Bruno Fernandes Yemfa Tuja so Bob Brandt friend Edison Roberto Cavani Gomez El Matado or Bonabaso pa so Penino or Nimponi Bruto say Cavani and Subam Ebe PM or Manchester United or Huni Impact and so Manchester United and so game so or see Roberto Cavani El Matador Roberto Abranteni in Boni Pobruta and to a Bonabason or so free some a bro PM no or champion mentality and on also the buyer now Ocean Yama Ecoson so Manchester a your opinion or Bonabaso pa and so on Manchester then some name on Sunday Dawson but Emreneko and El Presidente
Hazard.
Yeah,
Hazard story behind you.
Oh, Hazard the any day. Say say oh no. As any one bufu. Yes, so by you pray.
Into only story be a Hazard home.
Hazard story now.
And compare something in court.
Oh, on say Hazard the no.
There is you Chelsea. Near Saint Siu.
Say why dey okosre no.
Say friend say emotional distress.
Yeah.
So Real Madrid fans. Champions League crew we na susu
yeah.
Na ya gene dodo.
Yeah.
And Chelsea no credit Chelsea for share yen.
Yeah.
nanso sɛ wo sika ya minim so ni Roman Abramovich na kambo mu because omabu yen Chelsea fo abu ye heavy no wie ya no science re nti
wan sheda so osre
David and odru quarter
any journey na buy
odru quarter no achechim
almost say sometimes
we know intentional thought asheda say ogu animu ase ye free champions nti enche but say cases bi ekọ anche say obo akopie court no akochechem
Spanish media ne buafu no Madrid fans ne buafu no
okay
and some about Eden Hazard Pele Michael enya asem there but Hazard no on say sometimes old friends
enya old friends asem nya part so na obenwu old friends
enti
nya part so na
on say
part so na
lawyer dia obeka no emla no na anim say
menya lawyer
sir
nya lawyer
onya lawyer lawyer too
Hazard obenya case yeah obenya case enti monhwe stories nim
yeah
yenche obeko court
okay
why Kumasi High Court
sir
aye yedine court okay darling Paul ya dase darling Paul na die ram ewa manone no na yebekwa homa ne so biom na ye ne opanyi ye friend no Malam Yaya head coach for Wasama United FA4 na final into aya asem kese pa yenkwa homa ne so ne coach ntwetwe nkomo coach good afternoon hello coach
Pure FM
na coach bibia boko there coach line emunya kra o ye besa frɛ coach bi o mesan say coach line ye nya response ni ye na de oho bia na any coach akai san say FA ne say coach Malam ya metua 2000 Ghana cedis and 8 matches enya de obetumi atena bench ama team a friend Wasama nti ehho asem no ye be kana coach so achechem ama obia so atene ho ase na opanya friend Herbert Mensah na awia yi oni akasa na the all can say May 9th in some way see in 2001 no Ghana for ensua bibia mfrim na nsemu omonita Ghana Premier League na obetini abu referee obetina ntokwa ekoso ha obetina assembly koso ha ne nyina no enya de eboa na Ghana for no eyade ye refi ade ntem dodo okay yenkwa homa ne so ne coach mi ansa ne akọ Herbert Mensah so hello coach good afternoon fantastic na coach bibia boko there nkakra coach yato nka na ache kakra ede wo se me ba tech police park ona mbere o training kakra na ha dwensa ene no pay buy say FA no ese betua 2000 Ghana cedis na yasan bano 8 matches na den kwa na oye
we dey asa we dey me do ya se tell us that me ya no ana me boa because me o buta de sia na me hu dia mai ha o ma ba ne I was asking me 20,000 me hu dia mai
na
are we at the best position to answer the question
okay na only referee be nyasem say coach line I was say san corner because coach in some no can also no want here oh Ghana football wait to me the fine be out so wow on tia se but you know coach Betchem yanko Herbert Mensah so near yentie some opinion ready to dwa
20 years is a long time it's a period that we have dedicated ourselves so that nobody forgets this terrible day. And for every year, as you know, with certain key people, King Edward, Prince yourself, Kwame Gabson, Yusuf, Ali Maradona, Chester, Erica, so many others have been involved in this whole project so that Ghanaians do not forget.
Okay. Ora Herbert Mensah and some no eden ebeti na ye ni Malam ya nwie. Coach, na only referee enya asem bia. Yes okay kan asem bi chair referee bi. No na this are fine any suspension ya bai.
Referee want any Star Madrid boy now.
Money Star Madrid game.
Say you referee me go na mini referees me kaza referee me go na me coach or Ghana me kaza referee but she there for na say Lagos City wa TV so live
I need the referees at times. The referees, the referee had the catcher. Then next time, not to correct any mistakes. One is the referee, I want to say, I want to say Ghana football. If you will be on the issue, what do I say?
Metiasia Power Coach.
And the referee I had here. And I'm not going to I didn't know why. I should go. And a referee had to go. And a last man. And I want to say, ball over. And my corner, I didn't know why to a ball over. Let's see how they are some of the bandit.
Oh,
what do I say?
Matias,
and I'm also more bandit referee. Referee is too easy. I'm a bandit. I'm going to say, decision now, I'm going to take care. I'm going to take care wrong decision. I'm going to my ball is say, more my count. Let's say, me, my corner referee is one. My bush and I tell now. And now, more the bandit. Referees are here, I went to my catcher, and you are seeing, what do I say?
Matias,
I want to be at them, and a problem. But and the referee at them.
Coach, now,
I'll call referees so now I look to at them, I will wait to at them. There are some of the referees, you know. So, come, no, Busso, Matama, no man did you at them. If you can, who did you watch them? Who can I do? I say, oh, yeah. Oh, they're fine.
Asemo na 2000 no da bena sika no dey ko
really then John Bandino or Ghana football na 2000 go final na the first division then a coach car mo charge 2000 even the whole team mo charge 1000 Ghana the whole team say the whole coach they watch charge 2000 what about the match. Now, my son banning referees, you know, end of the year, almost referees, you know, or my yard into what abandoned. So, which is which? And a boy, I have boy, you know, they bought more than 2 months, 3 months ago. How many of them did they bought the first round, third match. Third match, it was 3. And I bought you. The my judgment na second run they say Nipanya Bria they say sustaining league no now one more inside decision baba that was the money with them way but ni na nyame so almost man in bench but almost three kaza man in coach team it is the only one in bench make na abonten oh. But coach says from Monday to Friday, they don't think as a man in coach team. I need a possible.
And they are no credit.
It's not coach team. Now I tell you, whenever they want, who bans a car, now I said, give me collection, you are not collect you, I'm not talk about. Be a very sure say, me, you know, I am affected, I am affected teams.
Now, coach, Sikano da bem.
Sikano na whole general. I want boy a word, our crowd, and the seller for 1% with seller. Don't pay me 2,000. Yes, you know what?
Well, good job. Now,
I almost and I ran. I be our word, and I won't pay 2,000. I don't come on one. What's all I won't cut out new law football. With the GIA, Mano. I wouldn't use it. Everyone I know, and I'm also by you. What do you just like that? I'm going to take the decision more movement. What do I say? As I was taking the decision, I let my boy team, I let my boy the whole Ghana football. I won't say Ghana football, and I won't say it. And I mean, I said, I'm a Cambiano. Okay. You go to the Biano, maybe you are Jenny. I mean, a very smart woman. Okay. Then I mean, the last time I only found the last time we are. And I want to really chance, who 3-7 chance that. The chance now, my dear, let us say, I mean, I'm my young woman fan of it myself. And you want to travel on one side of the yeah, we don't care. Down on a tanko, or what you need tanko F2 national team. Just like that. 1 match, you back of 1 match, or more 1 match, more you left the match and you know. All day, as I know, I'm say, what I mean, Katabi.
Coach, yeah, that's Bebre. We wish you all the best, Coach.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Coach Malam Yaya was a man head coach. With the Obia Sumwa. Hey, Coach. I was every coach training grounds. I'm community. Now, say, Mukra, Coach, resign you or you was a man or you say, Wajai. ɛna ɔsan ba biom nti case wey pa de you say yeah what na pesca na coach but malam say 2000 enye scam malam ya nti ende obetua but well yenko anymore yentie opanyi a yefre no Herbert Mensah enkano no CEO Kumasi Asante Kotoko May 9 disaster no ona na odaku na no na nyame ya domo in the next 3 days May 9th no na di 20 years na opanyi no ose Ghana for yewure fi ade ntem chese yensua bibia eno ene
20 years is a long time. It's a period that we have dedicated ourselves so that nobody forgets this terrible, terrible, terrible day. And for every year, as you know, with certain key people, King Edward, Prince yourself, Kwame Gabson, Yusuf, Ali Maradona, Chester, Erica, so many others have been involved in this whole project so that Ghanaians do not forget. We have celebrated it every year. We've raised money to help some of them. We put some people's children in school. We've taken care of medicals. And in the last 5 years, we've also helped flood victims, atomic blast victims, the disabled, and so on and so forth. May 9th now stands for any form of suffering. We bring in companies like Interplus, like Sunda, like Red Eagle Rice, like Gino, like all the companies, Vivo, who want to get involved and to help to make sure that we can push this through. And I think we have done this successfully. I think what is going on now with some of the violence in the stadiums, that is unfortunate. I keep saying, if people were there that day, witnessing the death, smelling the tear gas, carrying the bodies, they will not do what they are doing today. And with time, you're going to have to establish law courts to try people quickly. People may need to face punishment if they think that is the way, where that you go and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Either you can clear yourself or you're found guilty and fined or banned or jailed, depending on the offense. But it must stop. All forms of violence at stadia have to stop. That is very, very important. Well, that's what I'm saying now. That if you think people have not learned, then you need to bring in the punishment for people to learn from it. You need, as media people, to remind people about May 9th. Remind them when you see Mami BC, Nanemaya, and the rest who have lost their families. Then people must understand the consequences of violence in stadiums. The job is back to you in the media to constantly remind people. Advice, nobody wants advice. So you have to constantly remind people of what has happened.
Alright, Herbert Mensah, former Chief Executive Officer for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, or saying Samuel Esi May 9th 2001 no yensia hwie emfrim na ya said yes brano no ye be kai ho se asem kese bi se esi wo Ghana ye football abakwasam mu eno na be kire abrabo ye be bo ye koyanim no na nansem mo tise abo referee ntokwa esi wo ha na chese ebro na dwene ne ntiase so nti se nanka wo ho for May 9th 2001 now who chese tear gas no efa hwinim and now who se nipa da form a omuntumi keka omo ho a ka unko stadium nkoko nti saa nneoma no yenkai ho bra brano na de ho bia no so no yenya mpuntu eso ewom na otwetwa mu na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Legon City Shiaye and a branch a friend Augustin Okra Eshe go na Asamoah ba match nim no buy na free kick beto and na obofo wiem na obofo wiem wie no na Kotoko supporters omo ho no so no na wo se omo so kire omadwen and omo huru opanyin na kama na Asamoah amfa asam no tra o kire mu kasa bebre and na Eric Bekwin dia ba se dia Kotoko supporters ya Asamoah no entwe yie
me idea to Asamoah said this will be to me the call that is it to Kazake the James Kotoko yes me boot go to toilet na me the part so a whole lot Pipiana have been already programmed but me 95.7 and Kotoko a bush calling artists towards me and I think even Asamoah also addressed it in the middle part of ne grievances ne say oni say na kotoko busia ko ni na na e den ebu watching. But don't say it's not a good culture because one akolana and then whom you are going at Asamoah, he will not be a kid forever. Obi to kind of bow the need never said the way Ronaldinho muni na chini call back. Now Ronaldinho or call back. Me Cassia any Asamoah and no one else. Ronaldinho was far. This is a legend. Up to now, he's a legend for us. A dear fast one out of doing that. So kind of was say Tramufen, whichever player wants to come and relaunch his career. There was only a certain mission. A dear Tina maybe for just a season. And within that season, this is my goal. This is my target.
Eric Bequin Ninsam enono na Ogasain for T Eric Bequin Ninsam na no se Ninsam ben Eric Bequin kikakai na nisa Samoa Jan kra so nsam no so esan se oba Ghana Premier League na was oboa ho se oba be ball no na ball no kra wantumi amoni yi a echitafo no ho kwan se omosrew nti Samoa Jan kra de eni se so no so
two things oba ball for that long that was brochre dia if he says a wow ball not so if he say baby I was out now you just come home and rest and forget about the local league so that's a call you know one shut down to me I'm more about it now person but now that's what I have look at revive yourself that then you come in and bear all the booing and all the things because you are still young looking at Asamoah's age the details and all that of the local league you know if you're not the one John and says I know when you know this size of the local. So we have to know that booing and all that is part of it. But then Bibiana also DHL. You know me no cafe. Lama Voga me bobo no. Me bobo for one man so na ma pra me ho. Me to for ma. Obi kwa mbosi me to for ma me fa kom. E kom bi me tia. 95.7. But should I take that personally and react to it? I don't think it's necessary. And I'm a car, you know, say, who is a wabbit? Not say, then you have to be ready for all the booing, all the insults. So if it's you've had enough out there, please just come back home, enjoy your time. If it's a man for me to promote your man, you do so. If you are not all Baltimore, Henry, Kotoko supporters, and they are doing what maybe will benefit them.
Augustin Info, former Ash Gold Black Stars sensational striker. Ninsemwa wakanfa Samoa Jan Nsemwa course na otwe mi ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Yankwa Atvoke aswe na Kwame Opariado ya kasama fuma Atvoke na nansemo results no omu wini baako na omalusu baako. Ana PRO say supporters munya botre na montoa so entire team nachi na coach Samuel Boadu eyeden a odi hasofo bedru.
Win Badia, Obia, who played a role. It is the same way open victory. That's our master to defeat back. Stand with it and make sure that your support will count. And you die because you are moving forward. Down there, the day I don't go outside. It's not help us folk and it's not relationship there. I can tell you that we have an excellent relationship and that we speak almost every other day to make sure that we support each other to make sure that we move forward. We do so that when victory are marked, then the tension echo high, and then people begin to point fingers. Good for me, it is not good. Let us stand firm behind the team.
Kwame Opariado, a public relations officer, Emma Accra Heart of Oak. Yanko ko J Saponso asye na Ghana for kasa se siki akuna juma oye no. Shadan so nisa na onokra no omunya no mane nya na juma we player bi o wa ani afre kokoshem we su ofie yese bra be training we se choridisha na ko J Saponse Ghana Football Association munja na siki akono na nkasa emfa na dwe no enya adwuma no.
I have so much confidence in these two coaches. I think I've seen it all along. But then, my problem is that they should stand on their feet. They should be given the chance. They and stand by it. Over player match now 24 hours watching you. But as next time, people losing confidence in you. I should sit down where I am. It's not very easy. The simple people will still talk about it. They should bring some players inside. They will do it.
Pure FM.
Coach J Sapon, former Okohu United, former Hearts of Oak, head coach. This so no yɛmfa nsi ai na yɛnkɔ ahoma ne so na Ghana for ɛnkyerɛ ɔmo adwen 0240929256 0240929283 wobɛtumi afrɛ na wakyerɛ wadwo. Hello.